Alpha.
Hi everyone, this is Han. I'm the product specialist from Sony Malaysia. So recently Sony launched a brand new software called Edge Webcam. So what it does is that it transforms your Sony camera to become a webcam. So additionally, you are getting much better video quality output with autofocus. Comparison to the one that you found on PC, because the PC has a very smaller sensor, so the video quality might not be ideal. Okay, so I'm here today to guide you through how you actually set up your camera to get it to the Edge webcam onto your computer easily. So also make sure check out the website, see which are the cameras supported. Okay. First thing first, start with this mode dial, change to movie mode. All right. If you are using selected camera that you check on the website, it will state that some of the camera actually start from auto mode. But for this 6600 here, you start with movie mode. All right. First thing first. And then second thing is, once you set that, go into camera menu, set the control with smartphone switch to off. Okay. Third is, go to USB setting and change to PC remote instead of auto. All right, because once you actually install the software into the computer and download the software, install, and then the computer will know that this is like a webcam into the computer. But you need to set on the PC remote so that the camera will talk to the computer that way. Okay, so fourth, of course, download the software. So once you have all this done, okay, then you can bring up your software that you use normally, let's say Skype or any communication tool that you use, or if you are doing for live streaming, also can. So let's say for myself, I'm using Webex for my communication tool. So under the camera drop-down menu, for the input, you can set to this Sony camera Imaging Edge. Okay, so additionally is, if you're looking for live streaming for your Facebook, same thing. Go into the live creation page and then click on the camera input and change it to Sony camera Imaging Edge. Done. So you're getting a much better video quality output from the camera straight away. But one thing to catch, it does not record any sound. So you still need to rely on the sound from the computer, let's say your microphone or computer. But additionally, I can recommend you, for myself, I like to use a pair of headphones. Let's say this is a 1000X Mark IV here. So the sound will actually come out from a speaker here, and the microphone will go inside there. Yeah, so you get some idea how it works. All right. Additionally is, once you've done all this, why A6600? Okay, one of the things is that if you're looking for to do some live event, especially let's say some of my friends, they do for church. Okay, so having the E mount, you can have the flexibility to change different lenses. You have many options. So let's say this one here with the 16 to 55 2.8G. So this one is actually very good for because you can zoom in and zoom out. So very easily for you to compose your pictures before you actually do your live streaming or your conferencing. So additionally is, you also have the you can use this 10 to 18 ultra wide. For myself, I like ultra wide, so you can see so much into the frame. This is the 10 to 18 right there, very nice. Additionally, if you like some Bokeh, which is a background separation, very nice, and also very good, I recommend this one is the 35 f1.8 right here. So this one, anything goes to the front and the background just smooth away. Like especially looking for some product sharing, when it pop inside in the front and background just blurs away, and having very nice video out of this thing. Okay, so once you set up all this, the idea of this Imaging Edge webcam, which allows you, open up the opportunity for you people want to do some live event, let's say myself, I'm doing some product review right here already. Additionally is media enterprise or gamer. So this software opens up a lot more opportunity for a lot of people to actually explore. So let's say this one here, it can change different lenses. So with Sony camera, up to 57 lenses for you to choose on. So the power is in your hand. So thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm Han from Sony Malaysia. Thank you very much.